In this example, we're going to solve a proportion where our variable appears in all four spots. So we're going to do our cross multiplication like normal. I've got my numerator of my first ratio times the denominator of my second, and that's equivalent to the denominator of my first times the numerator of my second. Okay, right here, to simplify this, I'm going to have to use my FOIL. So I've got my firsts, my outers, my inners, and then my lasts. So my firsts are m times m, or m squared. My outers are m times 1. My inners are 4 times m. And then my lasts are 4 times 1. On the right, I'm just going to distribute to get rid of those parentheses. So I'm going to get m squared plus 6m. Okay, let's simplify over here on the left. I'm going to get m squared plus 1m and 4m are like terms. That will give me 5m plus 4. And then on the right, I've got m squared plus 6m. Okay, now let's move our variables with the highest exponents first. So I've got an m squared on both sides. So I'm going to get rid of m squared on this side by subtracting m squared. Whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other. So m squared minus m squared cancels. I'm left with 5m plus 4. And then on the right, m squared minus m squared cancels, and I'm left with 6m. Now, looking at my variable, I have 5m on the left and 6m on the right. Because it's only my variable term on the right, I have to move that 5m over to the right. So I'm going to subtract 5m from both sides. 5m minus 5m cancels. I'm left with 4. 6m minus 5m is 1m. So my final answer here is m equals 4.